The automatic climate control system adjusts vent selection and fan speed automatically to maintain target temperatures. To set a temperature, first start the vehicle. If the automatic climate control system is not already on, press the Auto button. The current temperature settings will appear in the climate control display. Press the driver's side temperature control to adjust the temperature up or down. To set a different temperature for the passenger, simply press the passenger side temperature control. The dual button will illuminate. To match the passenger temperature setting back to the driver's, simply press the dual button. Pressing the fan buttons or the vent selection button takes the system out of automatic mode and allows manual adjustment. Press the front defog button to defog the windshield and side windows. Press the rear defog button to defog the rear window and remove moisture and frost from the outside rearview mirrors. For vehicles equipped with remote touch, the climate control system can also be operated by pressing the menu button and using the remote touch controller to select climate settings. This screen may show two additional features available on some models: a micro dust and pollen filter and a windshield wiper de-icer.